natural sweetener. A zero-calorie indulgence from a miracle of nature, not chemistry. How utterly delicious. Try the first great-tasting, zero-calorie, natural sweetener born from nature. Truvia. Honestly sweet. Find it at your grocery store.
You can trust people. State Farm is counting on it. They want you to talk to your neighbors, then call a State Farm agent, find out how you can get discounts up to 40%. See, State Farm insures 40 million drivers. That's more than Geico and Progressive. 40 million drivers, more savings, and discounts up to 40%.
No, you can't touch the camera with it, honey.
No!
No! No! No, it's not funny. No. The camera don't want any. No. You're sleepy.